Okay. In this lecture, we are going to find the solution of homogeneous linear differential equation by synthetic division. Okay. Now, see this example and how to find the roots of auxiliary equation. We will see in detail. Now, question is find the solution of differential equation d cube plus 3d square plus 3d plus 2 of y equal to 0. Now this differential equation is in D operator. So in solution, first we have to write given differential equation as it is. Therefore, to find auxiliary equation, take the coefficient of y and equate it with 0, then you will get auxiliary equation. Correct? Yes? Is this auxiliary equation? Okay. Now, to find first root by using trial and error method, see last constant term and last constant term is true. So first check what are the divisors of these two. Now can you tell me divisors of 2? Divisors of 2 are 1, -1, 2 and -2. These are the divisors of 2. Hello. Pratik. Hello. श्रुति. डिवाइजर्स ऑफ 2 बराबर है क्या? Okay. Now to find first root, we have to check these values of d in this equation, and we have to check left hand side equal to right hand side. Now for d is equal to 1, but if you observe this equation, now in this equation all terms are positive, then don't try to use value of d as positive value, because of if we use positive value then all terms are positive, then we can't get this is equal to 0. So try to take negative values of d. So here we are taking d is equal to -1. In this equation, d cube plus 3d square plus 3d plus 2. Now if we use this value, then we get -1 cube plus 3 into -1 plus 3 into -1, and after simplification of this, what we can get? This is equal to 0 or not? -1 cube is -1, -1 square is +1, into 3 is 3, and 3 into -1 is -3, correct? And this is not equal to 0, correct? Okay. Now, so what we can say that d is equal to -1 is not the root of this auxiliary equation. Now check for other negative roots of d. So here put d is equal to -2. So after putting d is equal to -2, we get -2 cube plus 3 into -2 square plus 3 into -2, and after simplification, -2 cube is -8, correct? -2 square is +4, plus 4 into 3 is 12, and 3 into -2 is -6, and after simplification what we can get? it is equal to 0 or not? 0, which is equal to right hand side. Then what we can say that d is equal to this minus 2 is the root of this auxiliary equation. Okay, so by synthetic division related to d equal to minus 2, we are getting left hand side equal to right hand side. So here we have to take the value of d as minus 2. Now first rearrange this polynomial in decreasing order of d, but already this is in decreasing order. Yes, ये डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में है क्या? हाँ, तो पहले ये जो डी क्यूब का कोएफिशिएंट है वो क्या है? कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ डी क्यूब 1. So here you have to write 1 in place of a. What is the coefficient of d square? 3. Here you have to write plus 3. What is the coefficient of d? 3. And last constant term is 2. Now are you getting how we can write this row element? Okay, now here you have to write first element 1 as it is in this place. Now here how we can write this element? See carefully, in this place we have to multiply this element minus 2, this element minus 2, and this element 1. Here we are taking multiplication of these two elements and then add with these 3. How we can take this element? Are you getting everyone? Product of minus 2 and this element, but after simplification what we can get? Total is minus 2. Okay, but after simplification 3 and minus 2 is plus 1. Okay, again you have to multiply minus 2 and this element and add it with this element. So what we can get here? Minus 2 into 1 is again minus 2. Now add these two elements, its sum is plus 1, correct? Again multiply minus 2 and this element and add it with last element 2, but minus 2 and plus 1, its product is again minus 2, and sum of these two elements is lastly 0. Are you getting this synthetic division? सबको समझ में आया है क्या सिंथेटिक डिवीजन कैसे करना है? पहले जो रूट है d इज इक्वल टू माइनस 2 ट्रायल एंड एरर मेथड से फाइंड आउट किया था, वही एलिमेंट यहाँ लेना है, d इज इक्वल टू माइनस 2. और ये जब d इज इक्वल टू माइनस 2 रूट है तो 101% यहाँ 0 ही आने वाला है. ठीक है, सो वी कैन राइट दिस एक्सिलरी इक्वेशन d क्यूब प्लस 3d स्क्वायर plus 3d plus 2 as, we can write this part as, now related to the value of d is equal to minus 2, we will get the factor as related to the root d equal to minus 2, we get factor as d plus 2, and see the second factor. Using this idea we will take second factor. In this coefficient of d square is 1, so we can write 1 into d square, which is equal to 1 plus this coefficient into d. So 1 into d is d plus constant term is 1. आर यू गेटिंग दिस आइडिया? हमने ये फैक्टर कैसे लिया है, सबको समझ में आया क्या? हेलो, ओके. नाउ product of these two factors is equal to 0. Product of these two factors is equal to 0 implies first factor d plus 2 is equal to 0 and second factor d square plus d equal to 0. But again, if we observe, then this is quadratic equation in D. Hello, is this quadratic equation in D? Okay, so from this we will get d is equal to -2 and this is the quadratic equation in D. So to find the value of D, then we can use which idea we can use here? Hello. Now to solve this, we can use this idea. If ax square plus bx plus c is the quadratic equation in x, then value of x is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. But here in place of x, term d is present. Yes? Yes or no? Okay, that's why we have to write this quadratic equation in terms of d. Now here, if we compare this equation with this equation, then what will be the value of a? A is 1, b is 1 and c is again 1. Yes, इसके रूट हमें फाइंड आउट करने हैं ना, तो इसका कंपैरिजन इस क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन के साथ किया है. तो ये कंपैरिजन करने के बाद ए बी सी के वैल्यू यही आएंगे ना. ओके, so find the value of d. Here b is 1, so -1 into -1 square. Now 4 into 1 into 1, can we write directly 4? And 2 into 1 is 2, so here 1 square is again 1. So after simplification we get 1 minus 4 is -3. And how we can write this -3 as root of 3i, correct? Okay, so can we write this part as -1 by 2 plus or minus root 3 by 2 into I? Yes or no? And we can write this as -1 by 2. Are you getting this? Hello, is this correct or not? Okay, therefore total values of d are this d is equal to -2 and remaining values of d is equal to these two values, correct? So total values are 3. Okay, but d is equal to -2. This is real root, correct? These two roots are complex. Okay, now from this, related to d is equal to -2, what will be the solution part? C1 into e raised to C1 into e raised to m1 e raised to 1 minute, e raised to, I want to write e raised to m1x. Okay, related to first root, solution part is c1 e raised to m1x. Now related to second root, these roots are complex, so here its solution part is can we write its solution part as like this: e raised to x into c2 cos bx plus c3 sin bx. Okay, okay. Now here value of m1 is -2. Okay, and if we compare this complex number with a plus ib, then what will be the value of a? -1/2. Very good. Here value of a is -1/2. So can we write it as minus x upon 2? Okay, and here value of b is √3/2. Yes. Okay, so √3/2 x, or simply you can write like that, and here also you can write in this way. So this is your complete solution of the given differential equation, or you can write y or yc. So this is the complete solution of given homogeneous linear differential equation. Now are you getting synthetic division? Okay, now see this example. This is cubic polynomial in D. So this is cubic polynomial in D, and if last term, see constant term, here constant term is 2. So using trial and error, we have to see divisors of last constant term. Now here divisors of last constant terms are